I have successfully grown an online store that has generated over $2 million in revenue, starting from practically nothing. What I've learned is that whether you're selling digital, physical, handmade, or AI-generated products, the blueprint for success remains consistent. Some products can help you achieve your financial goals more quickly than others. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Today, we'll delve into a product with tremendous potential. The shop that has inspired this video went from zero to over $280,000 in profit in less than a year by selling Tumblr artwork. We'll explore how they achieved this and how AI can help us replicate their success to earn a substantial income online. Tumblr Overview. The artwork niche meets all the criteria we should look for in a product. It's sustainable for sale on Etsy, which is the most cost-effective and user-friendly platform I've had success with. You can sell it as a digital or physical product using print-on-demand, and AI can automate the design process, saving you from creating each design manually. Income potential. To illustrate the success of this approach, let's consider a shop called Tara Sparks, which primarily sells Tumblr wraps and artwork for personal or commercial use. This shop opened on September 6, 2022, just 344 days ago. They have achieved remarkable success with an average of 243 sales per day. Their prices range from $2.97 to $7 for various packs, resulting in daily profits ranging from $800 to $2,000. In less than a year, they are set to make between $300,000 and $700,000 in profit. Their designs, while well-crafted, are not exceptionally unique, and it appears many are AI-generated. Other shops following a similar model are also experiencing significant success, indicating that this is a viable full-time income opportunity. Quality designs that sell. Creating designs is the most challenging part of this business, but we can simplify it using Midjourney, a text-to-image AI. To maximize its potential, I'll demonstrate how to create high-quality images, seamless wraparound designs, and batch-generated multiple images using a single prompt. It's important to focus on producing excellent designs, as not every image generated by Midjourney is marketable. Seamless border art. For designs to seamlessly wrap around cylindrical tumblers, we can modify our prompts to create pattern graphics that blend seamlessly. This is essential for ensuring the final product looks professional and appealing to customers. Queuing time saver. To save time, you can batch generate designs by crafting a single prompt with variations, enabling you to create multiple images simultaneously. This approach is much more efficient than manually typing out individual prompts. Unlimited styles. Midjourney allows you to select different artistic styles for your designs, such as hand-drawn, watercolor, or even pixel art. This versatility enables you to cater to various customer preferences. Correcting errors. AI-generated images may have occasional imperfections. To address these issues, you can use a free tool called Photopea to edit the images and ensure they meet your quality standards. Getting sales. Selling your products is relatively straightforward, especially if you follow the right approach. Etsy is an excellent platform, attracting millions of monthly visitors, providing you with free traffic. You can also leverage print-on-demand services like Printify to dropship physical products alongside digital downloads, expanding your income potential. Simply upload your AI-generated artwork to your chosen Tumblr through Printify, and they handle the rest. Bonus tips. Growing a successful online business like the ones we've discussed requires time and effort. The rapid success of the shops we've examined is a result of their hard work and dedication. If you want to replicate their results, you must be prepared to put in the same level of effort, which may involve creating a substantial number of high-quality listings. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.